Good day to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. How has our day been? It is well, guys. On my reflection today, I will be speaking on chickens can't fly. Chickens can't fly. There is a quotation ascribed to Steve Olayinka. He says, "Bust loose. Do what you have to do. It may be hard and difficult. Just do it. That is the only way to succeed." There was once an eagle's nest on top of a mountain peak. One day, a strong wind blew an egg out of the nest and rolled it down the mountains into a chicken farm. A mother hen saw it and sat on it until it hatched, though the bird was different because it was born with eagle's gene and chromosomes. It was born into a chicken surrounding and it thought it was a chicken. It thought like a chicken, dreamed like a chicken, and lived like a chicken. Its biggest dream was to one day come up to the top of the fence and crow like a rooster. It figured that if it could do that, then other birds would stop their mockery of the fact that it was different. But each time it dreams like that, it would say to itself, "You know, you can never get to the top of that fence. You know that they have always told you that chickens can't fly." So it didn't even try. Which situation are in, and all sayings around you is speaking negative. Don't give in to it. It will just give up and walk away. One day, while alone, a little bird saw an eagle flying majestically in the sky. The little bird was so amazed that it shouted with all strength, "What are you?" The big eagle, with its powerful hearing and eyesight, saw the little bird and flew down and said, "What am I? What are you?" Little bird said, "I am a chicken." The big eagle looked straight at the little bird in the eye and said, "You are just like me. You are not a chicken. You are an eagle. Flap your wings and fly like the eagle that you are born to be." The little bird flapped its wings, pa, 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 and flew and soared above the clouds. Friends, I agree that chicken can't fly. They are not designed to. But you are not a chicken. You are loaded with genes and chromosomes of greatness. You are loaded with genes and chromosomes of excelling in all that you do. All you have to do is to release yourself and use what you have. Don't listen to the chicken statements. You are not one of them. Or are you? Friends, chickens can fly, but you are not a chicken. You are an eagle. Eagle has the capacity that the Creator has endowed in them to fly. What is that difficulty that is limiting you? What do you think is limiting you? No, you can fly. Especially to the Kringle community, our able admin has said it several times, time without number, during the matter that TBC is a different cryptocurrency entirely. And TBC, by its design, by the vision that God has released, is destined to eradicate poverty, to save humanity. And that is who we are. We are not chicken. Though we are part, you see us among other cryptos, but we are different. We have a different gene and a different chromosome. That is why TBC is a private coin. So, guys, our soaring to the topmost height in the sky cannot be hindered. That is why Our coin is the most expensive coin on earth, planet Earth today. So if you are a Tibetan and you are still thinking like a chicken, come out of it. We are not a chicken. We have the eagle genes in an eagle chromosomes to fly and to soar high. And that has been experimented through the kill-off coin that just came out a few weeks ago. So guys, come on board. Join the train. TBC is moving high. Guys, come on board. Stop thinking like a chicken. We are not chicken. We carry the eagle's gene and chromosome. And to any area of your life that you think you can't make it, no, you can. Many are saying the program fee is much, is much, is more. No, but to the glory of God, many of us, since inception of the program fee, initially called admin fee, we have been paying until the moment we are still paying. Why? Because we believe in the mission and vision of TBC. And that is why we encourage and we urge every one of you, join us. Let us build. Let us complete the building. Let us end the distribution phase. And what? Launch into our full economic phase. Then you now see everyone, every division soaring high. So guys, come on board. You are not a chicken. You are not one of them. Or are you? Thank you for listening to this broadcast. If you're here to subscribe, click that bell by your right hand side and subscribe so that you will always get a first-hand notification whenever subsequent videos are being posted. Thank you. I want you to like this video and share to your loved ones. Bye for now.